Hello friends, today we'll be looking at this Casio CTK-530 keyboard. Seems to be having some problems running. I tried powering it up yesterday, but it will start humming and stop producing sounds after a few seconds of after plugging it up. So let's plug it up and see what this does. I'm not a keyboard player, so bear with me. Okay, let's try selecting a different sound. It should start playing up about now. Okay, there we go. So now it started humming and producing noise, and it just goes dead. And there's nothing you can do. So we'll open this up and see what can we do. Now the screws are removed and we can have a look inside. So we have Sanyo speakers, and here's the main circuit board. And we'll be interested in these things here. I'll be checking the capacitors, as these are likely to fail over time, and this keyboard is over 20 years old. Internet says it's 1996. So I'll pull these out, check them out, test them, see whether they are still okay, but I suspect many of these will be faulty, because the keyboard plays, so the main chips should be okay, but after some time it starts not working, it stops working. So we'll check these capacitors out and see whether there are any that need replacing. And here's a look at the circuit board from the other side. Okay, so I have checked all the capacitors and these were all okay. This bunch here was also okay. No trouble with that. But here are two capacitors, the big ones, that needed to be replaced. And these are both, what are they? They're 1000 microfarad. And these, when I measured them, these acted just like the resistors with low value. So these are shorted out. Nice blue color. But these are dead. There are two of them. Okay. So I'll put this together and we can test this out. Hopefully this will work after 2 hours of desoldering, testing and resoldering. Listening to this. Okay, so I have soldered everything up. All the connections are back in place. The ribbon cables. So far so good. No noise. It's difficult to have this in to see the whole keyboard. I'll just put it back here. Okay, seems to be working. So let's try a different tone. As I've mentioned previously, I'm not a player, not a keyboardist by any means. At least not now. So what's this? 46 Fantasy. Oh. synth ensemble. Okay, rhythms. Let's try a sample rhythm. Nice groove. Interesting. So the keyboard works fixed. I'm quite happy with it. And I managed to fix this thing. It was an easy fix, but it takes a lot of time to go through the capacitors. Okay, what's this button here? Okay. So maybe, just maybe, very maybe, I will post a later video demonstrating this keyboard, perhaps after I learn to play. It's very unlikely. So just for now, there are some videos of this on YouTube. You can find them. Here's the complete list of rhythms and tones. This keyboard has MIDI. I'm curious to try it out. That's the reason I got this keyboard. It was very cheap. I bought it online. Where's the thing? Oh, there, yeah. MIDI. No, we cannot see anything. Okay, so there we have MIDI. 16 channels of MIDI. Okay, channel 1. What is this? Chorus. Oh yeah, okay. Chorus. This. Okay. I think I turned it off. I did something. This. Ready. Oh. Okay, I'll do this way. Still haven't read the manual, so probably this turns off the local keyboard, so you can use this as a MIDI controller. So yeah. So what was that thing like? Yeah, 38 flute. It's actually quite loud. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, if you have a broken keyboard, it doesn't make sounds or just behaves strangely, just don't throw it out immediately. Try opening up and checking the capacitors, maybe some of the other parts. There is a Russian video with this same keyboard, and there's a guy checking the whole schematics and stuff. It's very long, it's in Russian, but he eventually determines that there are two There is a transistor that's been burned up, and also I think that's like a double diode. Anyway, some IC that's been burned up, and he replaces those two, and his keyboard is back again to life. So yeah, might be just an easy fix. Thanks for watching.